Now along with the lines and rectangles, we can create circles and polygons. We have option in our SketchUp from the left hand side. You can see we have circle tools here, and under the draw menu you can see under the shape we have circles and polygons. We have already tried rectangle and rotated rectangle in previous videos. You can refer again about that. I hope you have studied that and practiced that thing. Now we have circle and polygon, and for circle we have the hotkey, that is the shortcut is C, and we will have use polygon directly. So let's directly start with the circle, and once I click circle, you can see with my pencil icon there is a circle around it which depicts we are going to create circle. And right now we can see circle is along to the XY plane. So it is very simple tool, similar to rectangle. You just have to left click it and drag it. You can choose size choose the radius according to your need. And in the below right corner you can see we have radius, and it is varying once we are hovering over the cursor around the view. So I just directly click it. So you can see we have a circle, and now you can see these circles are composed of these lines. You can see segments, I can say. Okay, so again I will show you how. Once we select the circle, below you can see first it asks about the number of sides we have. So generally very basically SketchUp gives 24 sides, but still you want to increase the number of sides, like I will make it 100, and when I will create a similar circle you will see the difference. Now this circle is more smooth as compared to this because it has 24 sides. The circle is composed of 24 sides, and this circle is composed of 100 sides. So it's quite plainer or smoother than this circle. And we have a plane that has already created when we used circle command, and then after that we have the plane. We can push or pull it according to our need, and you can see we have smooth surface here. So it's quite simple to create circle according to need. And now let's try this creating circle along the different axis. When I create circle, you can see we can use the arrow keys to create circle according to our need. When I click the up button, that up arrow we have in keyboard, my circle locks down horizontally, means whenever I will create a circle it will be along the XY plane, and when I will click the left arrow key, the circle will be along the perpendicular of the circle will be along the green axis, and similarly when I click the right it will be along red axis. So let's take red axis as our center axis. So I'll just left click it and drag it. So I have a circle, and it is along red axis, and I can push or pull it according to our need. So you can see it's very simple to create circles, as well as after push and pull, using push and pull tool we can create cylinders according to our need, and it is helpful for us. So now let's jump on to polygon tool. And in polygon tool we have this option here, and it is writing it draw n-sided polygons from the center of the point of 2 radius, and under the draw, under the shape, we can see polygons are here. Once we select it, you can see we have a figure around our cursor which is six-sided, and it shows, definitely depicts that we have selected a polygon. And here in the bottom it is asking number of sides. So generally we have 6 sides as general. So once we left click and drag it, you can see we have a polygon here, hexagon we can say, and we can always rotate it according to our need. And when I hover around the cursor, you can see my inscribed radius is changing. So I'll just make it like this. You can see we have a hexagon here with a face and 6 sides. Similarly, if I want to have octagon, so I'll just again select the polygon tool, and here it is asking number of sides. So octagon has number of sides 8. I will write 8 and then I will enter. So you can see the number of sides in our figure has been increased. I'll just left click it and drag it, and again left click it, and we have a polygon with 8 sides. And you can see it's quite simple to make it here. Then after that, if I similar to this the axis, it works with the polygon too. When I want to create a polygon along green axis, an octagon, and I will push it. You can see we have created a polygon along different axes, and it is quite simple to create it in SketchUp. And along with that, I want to point out a difference that we have here. Circle tools, whether it is 24 sides or 100 sides, these surfaces are planar, smooth surfaces. And when we have these in this polygon tool, even if we have 24 sides here, the corners will be solid. There won't be any smooth surfaces here. We have a proper cut surface here. So this is the basic difference that we have between circles and polygons. So let's just try it by yourself. You will find it really simple, and we will be catching up the next session next time.